Hi team, Corey here. Hope told me to send the screencast to everybody. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips how you can actually start out ranking your competition, drive more traffic to your website, and really help grow your business. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. First thing going over content, Google loves words. So really bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus adding that much more content, you can layer in those keywords, and those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're being found. Even all these pictures, this is all content behind here. You got iStock, but with a bunch of numbers. You can switch that out and do some keywords, and that'll just help with your rankings so you can actually drive more traffic to your site. Now, if I go inside of Google here and type in Air Duct Cleaning Cincinnati, you got these ads here at the top. These old school ads, a lot of people have been going away with them just because they've been really spammy. So Google came up with these Google guarantees to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Just another ad at the end of the day. They do get pretty pricey, and actually, kind of showing you the ROIs between the ads and all this organic. It's kind of cool to go over that. Underneath the ads section here, we have all this. We got this little map section, and really to get in the very top where all the traffic is happening, right here in the top 3. Bunch of businesses competing to get there, even multiple pages. But really, to get in these top 3 sections, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is come in here and go get those same citations that your top competitors have. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there, completely annihilate them, get 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls and does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top right here. Underneath the map pack, we have all that organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and to find your pages here, your website, you're going to be dealing with all that authoritative content being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that just ultimately driving power and traffic to it. Not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that just lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So you got 5 referring domains, pushing back 26 backlinks. Looks like historically you've had over 135 there. 70 keywords you're being found for, so you're getting about 9 clicks to your website. Coming in here and seeing what you're actually ranking for. These are all your keywords, the amount of clicks for each keyword, and also the position you have with the total of traffic that you're getting as well. So coming in and best Air Duct Cleaning Cincinnati, 20 clicks right there. You got 4th position. You got 1 click coming from that keyword. Air Duct Cleaning Cincinnati, another 80 clicks. 12th position, getting 1 click from there. So best Air Duct Cleaning Cincinnati, another 20 clicks. Just finding Air Duct Cleaning Dayton, Ohio, 90 clicks. Just finding these keywords that's just really going to help you bring more traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is a high-tech. I stuck them Ahrefs, and they have here's all their keywords, their volume, their position, the amount of traffic that they're getting from each keyword. Air Duct Cleaning Cincinnati, 80 clicks. They're getting 11 clicks out of the 80. Duct Cleaning Cincinnati, another 80 clicks. 10 clicks out of that 80. They get their name there. Duct Cleaning. Air Duct Cleaning Cincinnati, Ohio, another 30 clicks. Second position, they're only getting 4 clicks. But really coming in, finding all these keywords, they're just going to help you boost all that traffic and gear that towards your website and actually have a sales funnel on the back end to help you drive more traffic and close more deals. But anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, give me a review, that'd be great. Thanks. Have a good day.